Whenever I'm out ice fishing, I always open up Navionics on the phone and check out the features in the lake. I'm really trying to find spots that either push up or push down and have little bowls in the middle of deeper spots or pushed up ridges. So this looks like a good little hot spot here where there's a little bit of a bowl, and then there's these bigger, deeper spots which we haven't been able to check out until it froze up recently.
All right, right to about the middle of the hole, off by a couple feet. Let's see what's there.
Once I get to where I'm going, I use the Garmin LiveScope, shine it all around, look for some fish at about 30 feet out, and then I would move over and try to catch those. If not, I might go out to 50, 60 feet, and then I'll look for some features and work my way over to those spots and see if there's fish hiding in and around those features.
Oh, look at through the ice. That is so cool. Just that little spot right there, as it comes down, you can see that clear 2 inches of ice at the bottom, and then below the ice, IR light on. Ooh, this is a lot clearer than I was expecting. Yeah, there was some rocks and stuff down there.
They're not here, so maybe in the deep hole over there, on the edges of them or in the 40 feet. There was a lot of open water a couple weeks ago, but it's all locked up now. We just want to be careful around wherever there was running water coming in. It might still be a little thin. So we left from the yurt here, headed up the lake. So far we've checked around here, and now we're gonna move over, check the deep spots. No luck so far, not even a single mark, which is kind of wild. Hopefully we'll find some in this deep area. All these supposed thises and supposed that's aren't there. That's interesting. Yes! Yes! That's more like it. That's what we're looking for. 40 feet and something big. Something big. Usually the best bite is during like the twilights, the sunrise, sunset hours, and a lot of times for me I've found ice fishing that bite right after dark can turn on and you just start slamming all kinds of fish, but it all depends on the species, the air pressure, where the moon is at, or if they just don't feel like eating. So we're gonna have to give up tonight and leave it skunked, head back and make some dinner. To hunt the trout, you gotta go where the trout are. During the summer, they're out in the middle of the lake in the deep, dark, colder spots to hide from the warm water. During the winter, they move up to that shallower water and will be circling the outside edges of the lake and sometimes pausing around stream heads. Streams and rivers bring a lot of food into the lake, and that's what trout are looking for. So our first stop is where this stream comes into the lake right here.
This one got stripped, so I thought I'd jig the hole for a sec. Something keeps hitting it. Yes! Yes! Trout! Yes, 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 yes! Oh, beautiful brookie. What a nice move. Beautiful. There's a little pan fry.
Woo! Look at that fish. Beautiful little guy there. That was so good. Textbook. I was just getting discouraged, came back and undid them. I went out to 40 feet while I was still watching for flags. I come back, I noticed that one was stripped, and then decided to jig the hole, and boom! I see it get bumped again, and then that was on the dinner bell with a little grub on it, and just pop, a little waxworm. Love it. That feels so good. I could see it happening, and then I felt that better hit. Oh, what an adventure. Well, let's take our prize, head back to the shelter, make some breakfast.
Oh, 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 I got another one. Oh my goodness. I just left it in there because I was going to take a picture of the little guy. And we got oh my goodness. Look at this one. That's a nice one. Oh, wow. That is wild. Ah! Oh, it's a good day. It's a good day. Yes.
I'm hungry now. I earned it. I found the fish! I found the fish! Alright, beautiful fish. We'll clean these out here instead of making a mess in the shelter. Nothing much in his belly. No wonder he's so quick to bite. Clean looking fish. I love it when I gut a fish and I don't find like soft plastics from fishing. Ooh, look at that. That is. That's so good. A little piece of meat, little crispy shallots. Ooh. So good. That's it right there. With the shallots and the garlic. Dream come true. I'm gonna keep learning, keep experimenting, keep journaling about it. Really see how much I can learn about fishing and the fish and my specific lake here. Cleaned it right off perfectly. That's when you get it right. All the bones stayed on the spine. All the meat came off. Perfect. Nailed it. Oh, that about does it. I've achieved my goal. Caught a trout. I'm going to say goodbye. I'll see you guys in the next one. Fowler out.